Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this Smith Corona Samsonite case that looks nice, but it's dented right here. The handle, it was shipped and it got crushed. There's a big old dent, and it also made this latch doesn't line up. It's flexed in a weird way. I'm going to try to fix this on camera, even though every dent is different. Generally, that's why I don't do videos like this, because the next dent will be different, and so fixing this dent doesn't really apply to other dents necessarily, but it might. These are pretty tough cases, metal, and we're going to try to hammer this back out. So I'm going to put the handle up here as prop point, and try to get this flex back out. I don't think I can do it with just pounding it. It's pretty tough right there. Sometimes these sides and stuff, you can do that. So I'm going to put a block of steel in here, and I'm going to give it a pretty good smack here with the hammer. I'm going to do it right here, and I'm going to aim for right there. Give this a shot here. No, it moved a little. That's popping back out, I think. Pretty good. Well, that doesn't look bad. This doesn't quite look right up here, but I think it's got a couple war wounds on here. See if I can get those a little evened out. Still a couple collateral damage dents. Kind of hear from the tone when you're getting a pretty good strike. It's looking pretty good, actually, and I bet you this latches up better now. Let's try it. Let's see if it latches up a little better. Right in there. Not too bad. I'm going to call that successful. Yeah, even at angles it looks pretty good. And it latched right up, so almost too far. Well, that's pretty good. Okay, this is my quick undent Smith Corona Samsonite case. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.